Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic. Terra Classic have actually hit a massive drop in price and also on the market cap. Right now, LUNC have continued to drop, and that is why you can see there have been a massive pull out on Terra Classic LUNC. Well, I believe that if this continues, if Terra Classic drop more further and you see market cap dropping all the way from over 650 million down to 300 or 200 million, I believe that this is more of starting over again. After Terra Classic crashed last year, I think this month we make it 1 year. Terra Classic actually hit one of the biggest crash in crypto industry, in the history of crypto industry, and this month is going to make it 1 year. And during this crash, LUNC lost over $42.2 billion. The crash actually dropped down the market cap from $42.2 billion down to $300 million. So you can see LUNC lost over $41 billion during this period, and since then Terra Classic was able to still gain some market cap, hitting about 3 billion. And as of the time of recording this, the market cap actually dropped more. There have been a massive millions, multi-millions of dollars have been pulled out of Terra Classic within the past 24 hours. And now if this market cap continues to drop, if the price continues to drop and LUNC hit between 100 or 300 million dollars market cap, it will further affect Terra Classic, and I can say it is over for Terra Classic LUNC, because people will not want to buy LUNC again, because this is going to actually be the second time Terra Classic have actually disappointed its community, its holders, by massively dropping in price. And I think they still have chance. There's still a chance for Terra Classic to regain. There's still a chance for Terra Classic to start rising back. There's still a chance for Terra Classic price to change, and to also gain the trust of holders and the trust of new investors who will still start buying Terra Classic coins again. But if they don't take use of this last chance, because I believe this is the last chance Terra Classic actually having after a massive drop as of from yesterday down to today. If this continues throughout this week, it will be difficult for Terra Classic to even reach the level it is right now, even if it actually dropped. But this level, if it drops further, it will be difficult for LUNC to reach this level. And I believe $100 or $300 million cap will not help LUNC once again. But within the past 24 hours, Terra Classic have actually lost a lot, and I hope to see this coin revive fast, and I hope to see cryptocurrency, Bitcoin actually start increasing, because once BTC increases, I know it will affect Terra Classic in a good way, and it will definitely rise. So for the month of May, before the ending of the May 2023, for the month of this May, today is actually 6th of May, and I hope we still have about 27 days to go. We still have about 27 days. If LUNC can really recover from this period, I believe that before the end of May, if Terra Classic can recover, it will help LUNC more to really regain in the next coming months. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decisions.